Hello! In front of me I have Huawei Watch 4 Active and I'm gonna show you how to start the workout or activity on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the workout icon, the one that looks like this. Once you find the workout icon, tap on it. And here scroll down, tap on agree, and right here you should see the list of workouts. So find the workout you would like to start, and once you find it, tap on it to select it. After you select the workout, you will see the instruction how to wear the watch properly, and then you will see this menu. And to start the workout, you can tap on this icon or press the down button right here. I'm gonna tap on the icon.
Workout started.
Once you start the workout, the time will start going. You will hear a message that the workout started, and here you have some info like a heart rate, calories burned, stress, and stuff like that. You can also swipe right on the or rather left on the screen to open the music menu, and if you're listening to music during the workout on your phone, you can control the music right here if you want to. And if you want to pause the workout, you can press the crown button.
Workout paused.
Here you can adjust the volume for the audio prompts. We can unpause the workout by tapping on the pause button. We can stop the workout and lock the screen during the workout. So,
Workout resumed. Workout paused.
like I said before, if you want to stop the workout, you can press on the stop and then on the check mark. And as you can see, we're back in the menu. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you start the workout or an activity on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.